first stop. Already got the cops copping. Gas mileage is actually doing terrible, not gonna lie. We got some Chick-fil-A, and we're gonna get back on the road in a minute. All right, y'all, we have 66 miles in the tank. We are in Gainesville, Florida, though. So let's go ahead. Let's hop out and let's get some gas. Bro, the M5 is literally filthy from the snow. I'm about to insert a clip, bro, or I almost wrecked my car, bro. Like, it was freaking insane. So I'm about to insert that clip. Oh, baby, 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 baby. Holy shit. Car looking clean, everything all good, brother. Y'all, look at this freak, bro. My car has never been this dirty, ever. But gas is only $4, pretty cheap out here, so not too much worried about it. But this thing is literally filthy, bro. Like, as soon as we get down there, car wash immediately. Front looking menacing though. Oh, F90. All right, y'all, we have an hour and 22 minutes left. Bro, it feels so nice to be out of snow and ice and all that mess. It feels so good. Although Florida drivers are trash, still feel nice to be out of that. You know what I'm saying? Car getting good gas mileage. We have 458 miles. This should take us there. But we are stopping in Orlando. We are not an hour from Miami. We're stopping in Orlando. We're gonna stay the night there and then go to Miami on Sunday or Saturday night. I don't know, because today's Friday. So I guess just we'll see how things play out. But hey, well, no, it's body, but we drive, and that's pretty much it. I cannot wait to get this freaking car clean. So that's really what I'm excited for. What is the deal, YouTube, man? Welcome back to another video. Welcome back to another vlog. Right now, we got my boy F90 Fahad in his F90. His is a 2018 F90. And yeah, so we are headed to this CARMEET right now. I think that was a cop just behind me. Not sure though. Hopefully it's not. Dang, what the heck? We headed to this CARMEET right now. We're supposed to be a bunch of cars and stuff out, so kind of excited for that. We'll see how this go. But yeah, y'all go ahead, make sure y'all hit that like, make sure y'all stay tuned for the videos, because we'll see what's going on. All right, y'all, had to cut the camera off for a little second, but we are cruising. My boy's behind me. Bro, y'all don't know this, I literally used to live here, bro. I literally used to live in downtown Orlando at, where the apartments at? They call 55 West, bro. You look up 55 West, downtown Orlando. I literally used to live down here, bro. It's so crazy driving my F90 M5 down here now, bro. Like, it's like surreal. Like, I don't know. But we ain't doing too much speeding or too much cutting up, so it's really just a little chat session. Hopefully these guys get some runs in. I can record that, get around for that. That'd be pretty cool. Because I feel like it's all open road where we're going, so everything will be all right. Everything will be just fine. Yeah, but that's pretty much it. Look at this, bro. I might give y'all a POV drive, like a daytime POV drive over Orlando, bro. Comment down below if y'all want that, because bro, we can make that happen, bro. That ain't just easy cheese, easy beans, bro. So comment down below if y'all want that. Make sure y'all like the video. Make sure y'all tune in, bro. If y'all have me on Snapchat, by the time y'all see this video, the videos will be deleted off Snapchat, but y'all would have known Tez was in Orlando. So add me on Snapchat. We're gonna lock something in, man. And yeah, I'll catch y'all. All right, y'all, we got a little run. Yo, huh? Yo, huh? Hey, cool little guy. Oh man, y'all. He wanted to run it. I don't know why he wanted to do that to himself. And I didn't even have traction off. If y'all saw at the beginning, the traction light did come on because I did not have traction off. And I bogged down a little bit, but then once I got it up, it went. Yes, sir. All right, y'all, we are pulling up to the meet. Bro, it's so cool here because they got 7-Elevens, bro. We ain't got 7. Oh, that's a spray wash. I probably should go there. Spray off my car. Oh. Hell. Got the G80 out here. Oh. There's some cars out here. It look like you got a Hellcat motor in that. Hey, they got the GT63. We got some vets out here. Oh shit, some fast vets. Body. I hope my plate cover on. Oh, he brought his car to race for real. Jeez. I don't know where he want me to park. See my boy pull up on the side. Hey, come here. Hell yeah, that's straight. I'll follow you. Oh yeah, buddy. Is that a McLaren? Or is that a Ferrari? A McLaren, a 720S, bro. Oh my goodness. I need that thing. Brother. Oh, that scared the hell out of me. Just a great guy. Alright, be back, sweetie. Alright, y'all, we are leaving the beautiful city of Orlando today, and we are headed to Miami. It is 11/19, January. Look at the F90. Looking beautiful. Parked away from everybody. And nice little view. Hold on. Yeah. So, see y'all when we get down to the car. All right, y'all, we are headed down to Florida now. I'm here at the gas station getting fuel. We are in St. Cloud. We literally just ate breakfast. I didn't record that. Y'all didn't care about me eating breakfast, so I ain't recorded. But the M5, bro. Oh my freaking goodness, bro. It's freaking bad out here. Hold on. Gas is way cheaper here than it was in Atlanta. It's kind of crazy, actually, bro. Kind of crazy. All right, just by the car in front of us, y'all can already tell we are very close to where we're about to be at, man. We got to stop at Target because I need to get some stuff that I forgot. But we got a yellow Urus outside. Y'all, I don't know. I'd rather have an X5M than a Urus, though. And that's just the truth of it all. I ain't gonna lie to you. Keep it a stack with you. I'd rather have an X5M than a Urus. But that boy, hold on, let's get it. That boy look clean, bro. Not gonna lie. Oh, and it's on yellow wheels. Ha! That's funny. It looked clean, though. Not gonna lie. Alright, y'all, we made it to Target. I parked the F90 right back there. Oh, sorry. Y'all peep this. It's crazy. Right hand drive too. That's just clean, bro. Stopped and got some good old Covers. 42 minutes until we get to our destination. Got my fries, concrete, and a drink. Yes, sir. All right, y'all. For the past week, this has been our room. Nice little room, calm little room. You know what I'm saying? If y'all never been on the cruise, give y'all a quick tour. You know what I'm saying? This right here was our bathroom where we showered and stuff. And this is our like closet. Boom. Boom. But today is the last day. We have our bags packed and we are ready to go. So let's go ahead and let's get out of here, and I'm gonna show y'all the rest. We have to go to our bus station?
No, maybe that's for the new people.
Oh, yeah. Well. All right, y'all. I'm gonna put everything in the car. After I put everything in the car, I'll give y'all boys a cold start. There it is. Look at freaking Miami. So freaking beautiful, dude. We need to go get some fuel. Haven't done that yet, so we need to go ahead and do that. But real nice, real pretty. But I'm trying to get everything situated. So I'm gonna get back with y'all after we get to the gas station. But oh, bro, living in a high rise. Y'all, Tez might move to Miami. Oh, ooh. This truck is actually fire out here. I really do mess with it, I'm not gonna lie. All right, y'all, we got 77 miles. We are on E. Average MPG is 19.7 miles per gallon. Not too bad, not too bad. Let's go ahead and let's fill the Infusi up. Let go. All right, y'all. $45, almost a full tank, gets you 286 miles. Yo, peep the old Rari. Oh my goodness, bro. Hey, you see some crazy stuff out here, y'all. We are back on the road, but we just vibing right now, kind of chilling, because, man, we need some chill time. So that's why I'm recording, but trust me, it's gonna get better. All right, y'all, we are here making our second fuel stop, man. It is, hey, we actually made it pretty far. We're past Orlando now, so it was like, what, 3 hours, something like that from Miami, because we literally came from the bottom of Miami. And we are here at the BP. I did get off the turnpike because I only like BP. Y'all know I used to be an advocate Shell only, but now I'm an advocate for BP. So we're gonna pull in right here. We're gonna hit the donkey donk. Yeah, slow your road, buddy. All right, y'all, 470 miles. Amazing! We just grabbed some KFC, KFC over there, Wendy's over here. Comment down, what's your favorite fast food? Let me know. We about to eat and get back on the road. We got 6 hours left. Time is now 7 o'clock, y'all. It was literally just 5, so something must have happened. Because it was literally, and it just went up again. But it was literally 5. What is to do, y'all, man? We have finished eating and we are back rolling. You know what I'm saying? We are actually in Georgia. I've not been recording a lot. We still got 3 hours to go, but I don't know what's wrong with Waze, because it was giving me the longer way. As y'all saw earlier, it says 7 o'clock. Now it's 5:35. Waze is giving me the longer way. I don't know what's up with that, man. You don't want me to get to the crib or something. I don't know. Anyway, y'all, I had such a freaking amazing vacation, bro. It was like top 10 vacation, bro. Top 10. I haven't been anywhere in a while, so it was definitely nice to like get out, move around, get somewhere, you know, just do some things. But we are back home. The videos are back in full effect, so I hope y'all are happy. I hope y'all are excited, because we're gonna be grinding, bro. I know y'all missed the videos. I know y'all missed like all the constant and daily uploads. I know y'all miss it, bro. I miss it too, bro. I ain't gonna lie. I was thinking about y'all. No, hold on, chill. I was enjoying my vacation, but I was thinking about like uploading it. You know what I'm saying? So, yeah, we are back, baby, and I'm so freaking happy. We're gonna continue to upload every single day. So, make sure y'all got y'all post notifications on. Make sure y'all subscribe. Make sure y'all like the video and everything. I'm not going into just yet. We still are 219 miles from Atlanta, and I know something else might happen, not to me but to hopefully somebody else. I don't know, we'll see. Car's doing great on gas. I filled up again. We got 470 miles and we have 272 miles left, so all is well, all is good, all is great, you know what I'm saying? And we are chilling. So yeah, next time I don't know, I'll see y'all later. All right, y'all, we're getting our last fuel stop real quick. All right, y'all, 70 bucks later. Might as well take it to 70. Hold on, let's do it. I was feeling it. $70 later. I think we're gonna be at like, let's see how many miles. It is so freaking cold here in Georgia, coming from all I want. We are at 441 miles, guys. All right, y'all, it's 7:35. We have officially made it to the crib. 490 miles until I need to get an oil change, spark plugs, and all that stuff. But the M5 did very freaking well the whole trip, bro. I'm talking like W's for the M5, bro. This thing handled weather, everything. Y'all saw almost crash, all that. It handled all that very freaking well, bro. It's overall a great car, like all around. But now we got to figure out how we're going to get to BMW, get the oil change, spark plugs, get all that stuff done. I even cleaned out the car, you know, made it back clean. A little bit dirty on my side, but overall, back clean, get everything out. And yeah, so I'll catch y'all in the next video. Peace.